So hey everyone, I am Priya. So today I come up with a new application for you. So this application is really amazing and interesting. I hope you will enjoy that. So this application will help you to edit your videos, photos, and also not only edit, it's also useful for merging your videos and photos and images. So let's go ahead. So first we need to go on Play Store and then we need to search the X Recorder. So the application name is X Recorder. Yes, X Recorder. This one. You need to download it, install it, and after that you need to open it. So I have this application already in my phone, so I don't need to download it again. So I just go to X Recorder and open it. Yes, after open it, you have to give some information like sign in or something like that. So you can do that because that is too much easy. So now you have a lots of option, a lots of tools at your bottom of the page. So you need to just click the edit option, which is sign of pencil. So you need to click that, and you have the option of edit video, edit photo, and merge video and photo. So edit video and edit photo is really too much easy. You need to just edit your videos and photos single individually. Now we have the third option is merge video and photo. So there I'm going to click it. So you have a photos option and there is a video option. So I am going to click two video, first one and second one. So yes, now I have two video, first one and this is second one. So now I am making this video into one video. So I'm going to merge it into one. So but I have a lots of tools at the bottom of the page. So before merging it, I am going to use these tools. So I have tools of trimming, speed, copy, music, text, ratio, crop and rotate. So now we are going to trim it. So we have this video and I'm going to click the trim video. So you can trim this video if there is a lot of unnecessary parts, so you can trim it. So I just trim it, and now you can click on speed. So you can increase the video speed and you can also decrease. So it is only on your choice. So I am just going to a little bit increase it. Yes, the video speed is too much fast now. And now we have a copy option. So you can copy your videos. If you want to copy your first video, so you can click this first video and you can copy it. So okay, so you can do that. If you want to delete, so you can just select the cross option, and do you want to delete, so you need to just click yes. Now you have also wonderful option of music. So I really like this option because music option is really important, which makes our video too much interesting. So we have this music option. You need to click on plus option and you have a lot of music if you saved on your music app. So I'm going to say apply this one, and you after apply the song, so you need to edit this song volume because that is too much high. So you need to just decrease it. So like that you can do that. Okay, and after you need to select the tick mark. This one, tick. Okay, I'm not selecting that one. Now you have the option of text. So here you can write anything, whatever you want to write on your videos, on your photos, and you can need to select it. You need to place it in appropriate place. So I'm writing something. Now you can decrease like that, increase, so, and place it is in a wonderful place. So wherever you want to place it and fix it, and after that you have to select the right option. There is a tick, so you need to select it. Yes, now selecting it, you can like that. If you want to increase it, so you can. If you want not, so you don't want to increase it like that. Okay, so after that also you need to select a tick option. Yes, it is complete. Now you have ratio option. You can choose anyone, whatever you want to choose, but I am not choosing anyone. I am choosing only original. Now you have rotate. So you already aware of this option, and that like that you can rotate your video, your photos like that. Same as you can apply these options, these tools in your second video if you want change it. So you can change your tools according to your second video. So it's only only on you, depend on you, whatever you want to make your video. Now my video is complete, and I have to go save. But before select the save button, you have see the X recorder watermark here. So you need to remove this watermark. So you need to first click the watermark sign, and after you have two options: remove permanently or free remove. So obviously we know that if we remove permanently, so we need to pay for that, and we are not that much fool, we pay for that. So we are going free remove, and for that we need to watch a short ad, and it is simple.
Download Moj.
Yes, after watching the ad, now you are able to see the watermark is not here, means X recorder watermark is not here. So your video is now complete, and after that you need to select the save button, which is top of your page, top of the page. Now it is going to save. After saving, you have a lots of options to sharing. You can share, you can save, you can share YouTube. On YouTube you can share on Insta, then Facebook, then WhatsApp, and anywhere, wherever you want to save.